Hi everybody, welcome. I'm Jill Blanchette with Green Thumb Stampers. I'm here for a Finally Friday no frills tutorial video, and I'm going to show you how to make a quick double Z fold card. I made one a couple weeks ago on my Facebook Live, and today I've got it broken down into just a couple minutes of instructions so that you can make your own. Hold on. This week's no frills tutorial is this double Z fold card. I did it on my Facebook Live a couple weeks ago, and I just wanted to give you guys some quick no frills tutorial on how you can make one. So you're going to start with 2 sections of paper, and I've got the dimensions written down. This one is 11 by 4 1/4. You're going to put it in your scorer and score it 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. Your second piece is 9 3/4 by 3, and you're going to score it again at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. Then you're going to need some layers. So this layer, and then you got 2 more for this one. And they are 2 1/2 by 4, 2 1/2 by 4, 5 1/4 by 4. This layer is actually going to turn, the largest section is going to be on the top. Move that in a little bit. So we're going to turn that around, and we're going to have a layer that fits there, and then 2 layers that fit over here. Like that. And I'll put my little paper on there. These layers are 4 by 2 3/4, and then these 2 are 2 1/2 by 2 3/4. You can go ahead and glue all that down. Alright, now that everything's glued on, we're going to burnish on our fold lines. And then this one is going to open like that. And then this one is going to glue on here, so we're going to fold this like backwards than what we did the last one. And then this will glue on like this. They'll like tuck in there. So we're going to go ahead and put some strong adhesive on the end, and then the very last piece. And then you can kind of fold it up a little bit. It's springing out on me. And then carefully try and center it situated in there. And then I just like to give it a little tiny tack down so that I can make sure it's going to open correctly. And then go back and adhere it down really well by pushing on your adhesive. Alright, and then we have 2 more pieces that we're going to put on. One will go on the inside here, and one will go on the outside. And those layers are 3 3/4 by 2 1/2. And then this one down here is 2 1/4 by 2 1/2. So at this point, you can, if you're going to stamp on it, go ahead and stamp on this piece. If you're going to stamp something on the inside, go ahead and do that as well. And then embellish. I've got the flower watering can to put on the inside over here. I've got some flowers to put on the outside of this one. And then I left that blank, so this is what the inside will look like. I used the strawberry punch, the strawberry topper, and then I cut it apart to make those. So there you go, guys. There is your Z card, double Z fold. no frills tutorial. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. And if you make one of these cards or any card, remember to post it on my Green Thumb Stampers Creativity in Bloom Facebook page. We'd love to see what you're working on. So until next week, when I'm back again, take care and have a great weekend. Bye, everybody.